Ever thought about flipping the script on the whole online business thing? Get ready for something cool that's going to shake things up. So, this video isn't just about making bucks. It's about showing you how to rake in 10 grand every month using some super cool tech stuff. No weird tricks, no old school moves. We're diving into a world where fancy AI meets starting your biz. Imagine being the boss of an AI agency, totally changing the game in the digital world. But hold up, we're just scratching the surface here. There's way more to see in the awesome world of AI business tricks. Why bother sticking around for this journey? Because when it's all done, you won't just know stuff. You'll have the secrets to a business plan that rocks in today's digital world. Discover the cool things AI can do and kickstart your way to not just making money, but unlocking the door to big-time success. Remember, your time is like your money. Spend it wisely on the cool info coming up, and you might hit the jackpot with a 10 grand monthly profit. Cool, right? 1. AI automation agency business model. Hold on to your hats. We're diving into the super cool world of AI automation agencies. Imagine riding this awesome wave of tech stuff, not just watching it, but using the power of AI to skyrocket your online business into places it's never been before. This new business idea is like a total game changer. It's not just a fancy idea, it's like your secret weapon to change the game in the digital world. Picture yourself in charge of this agency where you use super smart AI to make things work like magic. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty stuff that makes this model not just interesting, but a total game changer. Our journey starts with a big picture look. We're going to check out all the important things that decide if this works or not. Is it cheap to start? How much tech smarts do you need? We're going to figure it all out and not just talk theory. We're going to see how it works in real life. Think about chatbots that get what you want and super smart ways to reach out to people using Google Sheets, Zapier, and this cool thing called ChatGPT. This AI automation agency isn't just about making some cash. It's about hitting the jackpot at the perfect time in the digital world. So buckle up. We're about to spill all the secrets of this AI-powered business model that might just be your golden ticket to a whole new level of business success. Exciting, right? 2. Text-based content creation. Now let's dive into the world of text-based content creation. It's like going on a journey with words in the online world. Imagine the power of words, meeting the cool changes in how we communicate online. We're talking about platforms like Threads, shaking things up and giving brands a chance to shine using just text. So, we start by checking out these new platforms where words are the VIPs. Threads are like this blank canvas where brands can change their story and connect with people in a way that goes beyond just pictures. Now, picture a business model that's all about creating awesome stories in this text-based world. But what's the deal, you ask? We're going to peel back the layers and show you a business model all about making words work for businesses. Whether it's teaching stuff or making people laugh, these text-based platforms give brands a whole new playground to connect with people. But here's the tease. We're just giving you a sneak peek. There's way more cool stuff about this model to discover. Now, let's talk about why this matters. The world is changing, and platforms want more than just cool visuals. Stick around to find out not just why this shift is a big deal, but also how it could change the way you create content. Get ready for a trip into the unexplored world of text-based content creation, where words become the magic key to a whole new level of online influence. Interesting, huh? 3. Dropshipping without paid ads. All right, let's step into the e-commerce world, but forget the usual rules. We're about to dive into the cool world of dropshipping without paid ads. Imagine a biz model where having a bunch of stuff to sell isn't a money headache, and you don't need crazy ad budgets. Get ready for a whole new way of doing e-commerce. So, we're starting by checking out the usual e-commerce headaches, the big costs of keeping lots of stuff in stock. But guess what? There's a different way to do it. Enter dropshipping, but not the regular kind. We're talking about a way that flips the script. Imagine this. A business where you don't need to spend money on tons of products up front, and you're not throwing cash into ads. Yeah, we're saying dropshipping without having a bunch of stuff lying around and saying no to paid ads. Step 1. Set up a Shopify store, grab a few samples, and use smart ways to show off your stuff without paying for ads. Now, here's the big move, influencers. Instead of the old school ads, we're teaming up with cool influencers. They show off your products, and you get noticed by their awesome followers. It's like a win-win. They get cool stuff, and you get seen by loads of people. As we go deeper, get ready for a game-changing strategy that's totally against the norm. We're talking about sailing through the e-commerce sea without the heavy cost of keeping loads of stuff and without being stuck with paid ads. Brace yourself for a whole new level of e-commerce, where being innovative meets making serious money. 4. Cash cow faceless channels. Shifting gears to the grand finale of our entrepreneurial adventure, let's shine a spotlight on a game changer reshaping the digital landscape. Welcome to the world of cash cow faceless channels. Get ready for a revelation where the traditional idea of a face behind a brand takes a back seat, making space for an intriguing form of content creation that's both mysterious and wildly lucrative. Imagine this: a content creator without a face, raking in millions in revenue. That's the heart of cash cow faceless channels, where the star isn't a person, but the content itself. As we step into this enigmatic territory, think of it as the perfect blend of secrecy and profit. Our journey into cash cow faceless channels involves careful niche selection. It's not just about making content, it's about finding niches that click with specific audiences. With the help of AI tools decoding trends and seizing emerging topics, these channels become silent influencers, shaping trends from the shadows. The real magic happens in the video creation process, where faceless creators craft captivating content using AI for script support and video editing. Monetization here is anything but traditional, relying on the profitability of the chosen niche. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets of how these faceless channels bring in revenue, challenging the traditional wisdom of branding and personalization. In the ever-evolving realm of content creation, cash cow faceless channels showcase the boundless possibilities when creativity meets anonymity. In this odyssey through the realms of AI automation agencies, text-based content creation, dropshipping without paid ads, and cash cow faceless channels, we've journeyed along the cutting edge of entrepreneurial innovation. From harnessing AI's transformative power to reshape digital landscapes to exploring the potential of text-centric universes, unconventional e-commerce strategies, and the enigmatic success of faceless content creators, each segment paints a vivid canvas of possibilities. As we wrap up, picture yourself armed with insights to redefine success in the digital era. The revelations shared here go beyond mere profit-making. They're the keys to unlocking scalable success. Your investment in this knowledge could be the catalyst steering your online ventures toward a monthly $10,000 profit and beyond. The journey may conclude here, but your expedition into the future of online business is just taking its initial steps. Thanks for watching. Until next time.